Hello mga amigas, tanamams, dads, atis, kuyas, plantitos and plantitas, inang and tatang. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, kindly tap the like and subscribe button for Mommy Scrups channel. Okay, subscribers, thank you, shout out. Okay, so what family is this kind of plant? Okay, maybe you are wondering now what is this because this is new to your eyes. Probably in other areas, you have plenty of this, especially in areas where there are plenty of moist. So what is the family of this plant? This plant belongs to family Lycopodiaceae or lycopods, or okay, family Lycopodiaceae. Okay, there are two distinct characters that you are going to look into this kind of plant. Aside from number one, it is dangling or pendulous, and the second one is having this two branch arm. So when it is going to bifurcate, when it is going to divide, okay, to form its branch, it forms two arms, okay, just like this one. Okay, two, two. Okay, this one will grow. Okay, two. Okay, two. Okay, so what is the common name for this kind of plant? It is number one, rock tassel fern. Okay, or this is not actually a fern, but it is a club moss. Okay, so another keeled tassel fern, or tropical tassel fern, or in other countries, especially in Indonesia, it is known as kumpay lubang. So shout out to our Indonesian plantitos and plantitas. Kumpay lubang is here. Okay, so again, it is tassel because it falls down. Okay, first it grows just like that. It grows upward for its stem, but eventually when the tassels, when the stems, where the leaves are attached, okay, and branches off, it becomes heavy. That is why it is going to form a pendulum. Okay, so sige lang tag. So this kind of plant is rare. Okay, and what is the shape of the leaf? Shape of the leaf, and where is the leaf located? I am going to pull this one up so that you will know. Okay, if at your end, okay, probably here. Okay, this one is the leaf, which is attached directly into the stem. So if you noticed, okay, it is sharp. Okay, and the leaf tip is acute because it is sharp. You cannot actually see the leaf because it is closely attached to the stem of this kind of mosses. So it's just named as a tassel fern, but actually it is a club moss because it belongs to family Lycopodiaceae. So what is the scientific name for this kind of club moss or tassel fern? Okay, scientific name is Huperzia carinata, which is similar synonym with Lycopodium carinatum or Huperzia phlegmatic. Okay, again, there are three identified, but what is acceptable is Huperzia carinata or Lycopodium carinatum. It was named after a German botanist, Johann Peter Huppers. Okay, this is an epiphytic herb. So when we say epiphyte, it attaches itself into rocks, into stems of, or into barks of trees, and it is also an herb, meaning to say the stem are soft. Actually, it is very soft. However, at my point, it looks like that of the scales. The leaves looks like that of the scales of snake. So, it looks like that of the scales of snake. What is the color? At your end, it is uh, yellow green. Okay, actually it's yellow green or light green. Okay, so I have here. Okay, so how is the leaf attached to the stem? It is whirled, so it turns around the stem, having that ovate egg shape, which is pointed apex, sharp apex, and the margin actually. Okay, so this, if I am going to, these are leaves. Okay, they are very small. Okay, so those are leaves which is attached directly into the the stem. Okay, color at your end light green, at my end gray green. Okay, at this point light green or very nice light green. Okay, margin is entire. There is, if we are going to look into, remove this one and see, view it under the microscope, the midrib is very distinct. Okay, for it, the since it whirls around the stem, as I feel it, there are four leaf that attaches in opposite. It's not alternate, opposite around the whirling of the leaf, which is very small leaflets. Actually, is there are four, and if I, as I feel it, there are four corners, and each of the corner are the four leaflets, which is oval with a very sharp apex. I don't know, I cannot look into the base because of its sharpness. As based from my readings, one of, aside from being an ornamental, because it is pendulous, okay, it hangs itself, it looks like that of a tassel. It is the stems are very slender actually. Okay, see this one. I bought this 2 months ago with having two branches. Okay, but still I have not observed growing of another branch. Okay, what I noticed is that it grows longer, the stem grows longer. Okay, that is why I just put this one, gipaing ani lang for your own view. Okay, but actually is hanging. This one, the other one. Okay, I am going. What is the medium that I am using? This is your anonotong. Okay, because it doesn't. What it likes actually is a medium that is moist. Moist. So meaning to say, not so wet, because it causes browning, just like this one. There is browning because I placed soil, so it doesn't like soil. When you have the soil, see to it that it is a mixture. Another reading is that this is endemic in our country as well as in Australia and in Taiwan. How do we propagate? How is it propagated? We propagate this by stem cutting. So, but I have not tried. Okay, where another propagation, mode of propagation, between the leaf, okay, at the underside of the leaf, okay, very gagmay kaayo, very small leaf, okay, are the spores. So when the leaf matures, or the spores matures, is just going to burst, and when it touches a condition which is ideal for him to grow, then that is the time that it grows. But this one, I'd rather prefer cutting the stem and let it root in a moist medium. Okay, so the upper part, this is the upper part, okay, is sterile, while the lower part, where you can find the fronds or the leaflets, are the fertile part of the tassel fern. So this is just one example of a tassel fern. I have seen one. I hope I can buy that tassel fern, because this is a different kind of tassel fern. See how beautiful, how wonderful are these tassel fern. Okay, so thank you so much again. It belongs to phylum Lycopodiaceae, genus Huperzia, species Carinata. So that is the accepted scientific name for this kind of rock tassel fern. So shout out again for my new subscribers. Please keep on subscribing. Another, I have noticed that there for my viewers, 90% are not subscribers. The rest are my subscribers. So I encourage those non-subscribers to please click that subscribe button, as well as the notification, so that notification bell, so that you will be notified every time that I am going to make a video about plants. So plant moms, plantitas, plantitos, tanamams, okay, thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe to my channel, Mommy Scrups channel. Okay, again, tassel fern.